Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new company to talk to you guys about. That's right, I'm bringing a new company to show you guys and all these products in here that we get to check out. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I received this box right here from Bakerly. Thank you so much for sending me this to review. They did send me this to show you guys, so thank you so much. And I will link them down below, and if there's a code or anything available, I will link everything in the description box down below and you can check them out. I'm super excited to open this because the tape on here, it says, authentic French brioche, pancakes to go, crepes to go for you and your family. I'm like, ooh, I can't wait to see what is going to be in here and taste them and tell you guys about it. So I'm so excited. Again, this is from Bakerly. So let's go ahead and open up the box and see what they sent. I'm so excited. I love bringing new companies and new products to show you guys. So I love it. So when you first open it up, there is this little card right on top. It says shelf life and store. Store in a cool, dry place. Consume before the best buy date stickered on the product. Products are thawed on the day of shipment, so do not freeze. And it says, give you some information. There's some pictures of some things that they have. And on this side, it says, your happiness is 100% guaranteed. Thank you. See you soon. Our happy customer care team is always available for you, and it gives all of their information as well. So when you first open it up, it's so cute. There's actually like tissue paper, and that is adorable. Okay. Ooh. And oh my gosh, if you guys can smell the aroma that is just oozing out of this box, it smells so good. So that is how it is. Looks like everything is kind of like packaged. Ooh, all right, you guys. So let's dive in and see what we have. So the first thing that we saw right on top, it says the French pancakes to go. These look, they're to-go pancakes. They're like individually wrapped and they look like they're freshly just made. New, ready to eat, ready to go. 6 individually wrapped pancakes. You guys, look at that. Let me open it so you can see them individually. How cute. So there's literally one pancake right there. That is so cool. And it looks like it already has like some kind of syrup maybe on it. It says a hint of sweetness. Ooh, I can't wait to try them. Bakerly is proud to introduce its first ready-to-eat pancakes in the US. Made with eggs and milk, this French-style pancake has a delicious flavor and irresistible cakey texture. The whole family will love them. Wow, I can't wait to try these, you guys. Okay, so there's the first item. Let's see what's down in here. Ooh! These are the little rolls, and you guys, I literally buy something similar to these at the store, and these actually feel so much softer and like fresher than the ones that I actually buy all the time. So that's amazing. They smell so good too, you guys. Look at that. Those are like the perfect size. I love these, so I can't wait to try those out, because then I can just start ordering them from here. Look at all this stuff, you guys. The hand braided brochet. Ooh, this one looks so good. Look at that. I'm like, oh yes, I'm like in like heaven right now. Now we have crepes to go, and they're individually wrapped, and it says chocolate hazelnut filled with crispy cereal balls. Ooh, that sounds amazing. So you have that, and there's individual crepes. I like that there's individual items to go eat on the go, because a lot of people, they are in a hurry and they eat on the go. So here's some more crepes, but this one is caramel filled with crispy cereal balls. Here's some more crepes, you guys. This one is strawberry filled and chocolate hazelnut filled, but this one does not have the crispy balls inside. So there's 4 different types of crepes that I get to try out, and they're all individually wrapped, which I love that. There's still some more stuff, you guys. Ooh, these are some bigger ones, like bigger pieces. They're soft brochette baguettes, authentic French recipe. But those, and they're so soft and fresh. Oh, I can't wait, I can't wait, I can't wait. And then the last item is down in here. And these are chocolate croissants. Oh my goodness. And they're all individually wrapped as well. Look at that. That is so neat. I love how they're all individually wrapped because, again, you can take them on the go, you can pack them with lunches, that kind of thing, which that's amazing. So I'm gonna start trying these out with my man and whoever else is around at the time so I can get everyone's opinion on how they taste, and then I'll be back to finalize. But I'm super, super excited. I don't even know where I wanna start first, but this is amazing. So I will be back to let you guys know what we feel about them. Okay, you guys, so I wanted to just pop in here really quick because I just realized that my man was eating the very last one of these chocolate croissants. So I'm like, wait, I didn't even really like show that one up close or personal or anything like that. So that was out of this bag right here that had 6 of them. I really love the fact that these are individually wrapped and they are so, so good. So I wanted to show you. So you have like this flaky crust. This is the croissant. And then there are a few of the chocolate chips throughout it, which just gives it a perfect little sweet taste to it. But this is just so flaky and soft. Like, these are super, super good. So I wanted to show you, because like I said, he was eating the last bite. I was like, there's his bites and everything. I was like, wait. So I just wanted to show you it actually out of the wrapper and how flaky it is. This is so, so good, you guys. So, so good. Look how flaky. And then there's only one of these left. So I snatched that up to show you guys out of the wrapper. So this says you can enjoy your pancakes as is or heat them up for breakfast or a snack. I ate them just like this. So warmed up, they probably would be really good too, but just out of the package, I wanted to show you. It looks just like a pancake. Well, it is a pancake. And it does have a slight, like, it looks kind of like there might be like a slight syrupy or something on it. It said it was lightly, what did the original package said? Something about it being lightly sweetened or something. But this is literally like an actual pancake, you guys. It tastes like a pancake. This tastes like a really good pancake. And you can warm it up or eat it as is, which is really good. See? So I wanted to show you at least these now. Okay, you guys, so now I'm back to finalize all these different products that I got from Bakerly. And oh my gosh, everything is absolutely amazing. And I really, really, really love the fact that a lot of their stuff is individually wrapped, which makes it so easy for on the go, packing your lunch for work, for school, for gym, for whatever you want, or just to take on the go. It's so easy. So the pancakes I've already came and told you guys and showed you guys. I love these, and I love the fact that they're individually wrapped. I love the fact that you can eat them directly from the wrapper, or you can warm them up, whatever tickles your fancy, but they're perfectly fine just out of the wrapper, not even warmed up. So I really, really love the pancakes. Now, they have so many different crepes, and you guys, they even have variety packs where they have a little mixture, kind of like what they sent to me. They have so many different ones. So if you wanted to check out like one of those variety packs and use my code, because they did give me a code, my code is SheCrafty20 for 20% off your order. So if you wanted to grab one of the variety packs just to try it out, use my code, save 20% off, and then you get to try out these wonderful goodies. You guys, when it comes to the bread too, they even have hot dog buns, they have hamburger buns, they have sandwich like grinder buns, and their bread is so, so good. Even the small little ones, those are, we actually took to work because we make breakfast at work. So we took those to work and we make little like meat and cheese little sandwiches with coffee in the morning, and they are so good. They're even softer than the ones that I was saying originally that I buy that look just like like them. And the other brand that I was getting was individually wrapped. So even the individual wrapped ones were not as fresh and soft as these were. So I really, really love them. The long ones, I split them open, put in some butter, I put in some garlic powder and some cheese and toasted them, and we had it with our spaghetti one night. The next night I just put just regular butter and it was amazing. So their bread is so soft and just super, super good. This bread right here, you guys, this is the pull apart bread. Oh my gosh. This is the hand braided brochette. This bread, you seriously, you just pull it apart. This is just a little piece, and it tastes, if I were to compare this to anything out there, it would be kind of like a Hawaiian sweet roll, but it's so much better because it's so soft and just, it's so soft. It's so good. Like, you can just start pulling this apart and just eat it by itself. That's what we did. We just pulled a chunk, ate it with our dinner, and this was amazing. So soft. So that one is super, super soft. We even pulled them apart when his uncle came over the other night and put them on our plates. And I guess he didn't see his roll, or he didn't know what it was. I'm not quite sure. But at the end, I was like, you didn't even eat your bread. I'm like, did you try it? He's like, oh, no. He's like, I completely forgot about it. Now I'm full. I'll just take a bite just to see, so at least I can tell you. And I was like, okay. So he took a bite and he's like, ooh, this is really good. And then he takes another bite and I was like, here you go. Here you go. So I walk away, I go put my dinner dishes down and start cleaning up. And then I happen to look through and I was like, he has like one bite left, literally. So when I went to go grab his plate, I'm like, you literally left one bite when you said you were going to eat one bite. He's like, oh, I forgot about that. And he put it in his mouth real quick. I'm like, okay, you ate the whole thing. And it was a pretty good chunk that I pulled off of it. So that just goes to show you, like, it's like when you take one bite, you just can't stop because it's just so good. It's like, ooh, give me some more. Ooh, give me some more. So that bread is super, super good. So I could only imagine like it on a sandwich or the hamburger buns and hot dog buns. Oh my gosh, those would be amazing as well. So now with the crepes, holy moly, these things are amazing, you guys. Like, I'm gonna open up one of them so you can see, but the chocolate hazelnut filled ones, every single one was just amazing. These were really, really good, and they have these little crispy balls. So I think I'll probably open up one with the balls in there so you can see what it is. The chocolate hazelnut filled, I mean, seriously, everything was just so, so good. This is the caramel filled crispy cereal balls. And then the strawberry. Holy moly. Like I said, every single one of these are super good, but I want you to see what one looks like out of the wrapper. Again, they're all individually wrapped, super easy, super convenient. And those croissants, the chocolate chip croissants, oh my gosh, those are so good. And the little tiny rolls that I was saying that I took to work, they have the little tiny rolls with chocolate chips in them as well. So they have a lot of good stuff on their website, you guys. Okay, so when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Nice and airy. There's the ball. Just so you guys know, let me open it up. So here's all the gooey caramelness with the balls. And then here's the long part. So there's a lot there. And oh my gosh, these are so, so good. Everybody that I have given these to is like, give me some more. And you guys, I don't even have a favorite because they're all so good. I don't even have a favorite. These crepes are freaking amazing, you guys. Okay, you guys, so again, if you want to check out anything from now until November 30th, you can use Crafty 20 to save 20% off your order. After November 30th, you can use Crafty 15 to get 15% off your order. So if you want to save that extra percentage, then go ahead and buy something before November 30th and you can save 20% off your order, you guys. which is amazing. So comment down below, let me know, have you guys heard of Bakerly before? Do you guys love crepes or any of this bread and this wonderful goodness? Like, oh my gosh, this stuff is amazing. I can't wait to go back and place my own order. I'm definitely gonna grab more crepes. I'm definitely going to buy the chocolate chip croissants, and I'm going to get the hot dog buns and the hamburger buns because those look like they're going to be amazing. And I love fresh bread with anything that I'm doing, like anything that I'm making or whatever. I love when it's a really good, soft, fresh bread, and that is exactly what this stuff is. So I'm so glad that they sent me a variety of all their stuff. This is all amazing. I've never had something taste so good like when it came to the crepes or the croissants or anything like that. And I love that it's all individually wrapped, you guys. Convenience, that's awesome. And they stay fresher that way because each one is all individually wrapped, so they stay fresher longer as well. So there you go. Comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So you know that drill. Until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew out.